Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Brianna, or Beal Duct Tape Designs here, and today I have a pretty big craft routine. I have one woman's wallet, one accordion wallet, one bifold, 3 inside-out wallets, and 3 smallets, and then I also have a small clip from an order that I did for my coworker a couple weeks ago. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Hey, I have another segment for you. Anyways, she ordered 2 accordion wallets and 2 pens. The first one is this Hello Kitty one. It's all lined up on the outside, and it has this new pink on the inside, and it just has the coin pouch, and it's really simple, and it has the letter A on the front for Avery. And I'm really cheap and decided to use stickers instead because my duct tape skills have depleted, so I didn't really want to cut out letters. But I think it looks cute, and I just did the pink as a border. And then I made another one, which is the same thing. It's just with past the baby pink, I guess. And it's got the coin pouch, and it's all lined up and clear taped on the outside. And this one has a B on the front for Brinley, A and B. And then she wanted pens too, so I made these 2 pens. It's this new pink with baby blue, or icy blue. Wow, I can't even remember the names of the tapes. And then I have this one, which is baby pink and electric blue to keep with the pink theme. And then she said to pick whatever fitting color I wanted, so there's like blue overalls. This is a mess, I'm so sorry, but here are the wallets. Starting with the wallets I only have one of. I'll just begin with this accordion wallet. So it's penguins on the outside, super cute, all lined up and clear taped, and it has black glitter on the inside with terracotta. I really like this color combination, and it's got penguins, and everything that can be clear taped is clear taped, I promise. And if you're annoyed by my voice, I am too, because my coworker got me sick, so here I am. The next wallet I have is a bifold, so it is, well, it has icy blue trim all the way around, and it has black glitter pockets with the normal yellow trim, and it has 5 card pockets, the side ID 2 hiddens, and a billfold which has half and half on the inside, and it has this really cute bumblebee scrapbook paper. I really like it. Something new that I'm doing too is I'm going to try and start putting stickers on the inside of my wallets that have my signature and my logo and stuff, just so that people know that it's my wallet. I ordered these from Vistaprint. They're really cute. It just says, "Enjoy your handcrafted duct tape wallet," and it has my logo on the center, and I will sign it somewhere. How I made it is I made the billfold portion, so I put the yellow tape, and then I put the sticker down, and then I put the clear tape over it before I put the centerpiece, if that makes sense. So it's not going to get caught on anything because it's clear taped over. So it doesn't affect the wallet in any way, but I just think it's a cool idea, and I'm going to start doing it. The final wallet that I only have one of is this Girly Skulls women's wallet. It's all lined up on the outside. It looks really nice, and it's all clear taped. I have to put Velcro on it still. But it has this layout. It has a lot of card pockets. Let's see, 3, 6, 9, 11 card pockets. The side ID with 4 hiddens in total, and then 2 billfolds. And I really like this color combination. If you can't tell, it is the Dove Gray tape with the new pink, electric pink. I don't know the name of it exactly. But for the first woman's wallet I've made in a long time, I think it turned out really nice. Next, I have 3 smallets for you. The first smallet is this chevron tape. I don't know what this tape is called. Forgive me for, being MIA for a while, but all these new tapes came out and I don't know any of their names, so bear with me. But it has Just Peachy on the inside, and it has Dove Gray pockets with Just Peachy trim. I really like this color combination as well. I think it's pretty spiffy. Then I have this smallet. It is the burlap tape on the outside. I really like this tape. It's very neutral and, I don't know, pretty, I guess. It has a baby pink billfold with the vintage flowers pockets, baby pink trim. I really like how this wallet turned out, and I lined it up behind the ID too, so it looks super, super nice. The last smallet I have is this new Minions tape, but it's all lined up and everything's clear taped on all of my wallets now, as I said. And it has electric blue billfold with atomic yellow pockets and electric blue trim with the same layout. The last 3 wallets I have are inside-out wallets because I had extra tape from lining up some of the tapes on the other wallets. So this is left over from the smallet. It is this Despicable Me tape. It has an icy blue billfold with rainbow glitter pockets, icy blue trim. And they just have 3 card pockets and the pouch up top. The next one is from the women's wallet leftovers. It is the Girly Skulls tape on the outside. Yet again, it has a hot pink billfold with zebra card pockets, hot pink trim. The last one I have is leftovers from the accordion wallet, so it is penguins with a neon orange billfold, I guess, and silver glitter pockets with neon orange trim. Alrighty everyone, that is it for this craft update. If you enjoyed, please push the like button. And question of the day, what is your spirit animal? Go ahead and tell me down below, and leave me color combos, leave me questions, comments, concerns, fashion tips, ideas, whatever you wish in the comments down below. Thank you for supporting me yet again and for watching this. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys next time. Deuces.